The wise bird, or what is known as the bird of Solomon, peace be upon him. The hoopoe is considered one of the most distinctive and fascinating birds in the avian world. It combines striking physical beauty, intelligent behavior, and deep symbolic significance in human cultures, particularly in Arab and Islamic tradition. Since ancient times, the hoopoe has attracted human attention, appearing in religious texts, folklore, and scientific studies due to its unique characteristics that set it apart from other birds. The hoopoe belongs to the animal kingdom, the phylum Chordata, and the class Aves. It is classified within the order Bucerotiformes and the family Upupidae, bearing the scientific name Upupa epops. Commonly known as the Eurasian hoopoe, it is the most widespread and well-known species of its genus. This bird represents a clear example of biodiversity and the ability of living organisms to adapt to diverse environments. The hoopoe has a very distinctive appearance that makes it easy to recognize even for non-specialists. Its most striking feature is the crest of long, fan-shaped feathers on its head, colored orange-brown with black tips. The bird raises or lowers this crest depending on its emotional state, such as during courtship or when sensing danger. Its body feathers are mostly light orange, while the wings and tail display bold black and white stripes, giving it a unique and attractive look. The hoopoe possesses a long, slender, slightly curved bill, which is an essential tool for foraging. This bill is perfectly adapted for probing the soil in search of insects and larvae hidden beneath the surface. The hoopoe is a medium-sized bird, measuring between 25 and 32 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of about 45 centimeters, allowing it to fly efficiently over moderate distances. Geographically, the hoopoe has a wide distribution across the Old World, including the Middle East, North Africa, large parts of Europe, Central Asia, and the Indian subcontinent. It inhabits a variety of environments, but prefers open or semi-open areas such as farmlands, grasslands, forest edges, and semi-desert regions. It is also sometimes found near rural settlements where suitable food sources are available. Some hoopoe populations exhibit migratory behavior, especially those living in colder European regions. During winter, these birds migrate southward to Africa or warmer areas in search of favorable climatic conditions and abundant food. In contrast, hoopoes living in warmer regions often remain resident throughout the year. The hoopoe's diet mainly consists of insects, making it an insectivorous ground-feeding bird. Its prey includes beetles, grasshoppers, ants, larvae, and worms, as well as other small invertebrates. The hoopoe hunts calmly and methodically, walking slowly on the ground and using its bill to probe the soil with precision, demonstrating a high level of concentration and instinctive intelligence. Behaviorally, the hoopoe is known to be cautious and alert, constantly monitoring its surroundings. It is often seen perched on elevated spots, observing the area before descending to feed. The bird communicates using both visual and vocal signals, such as raising its crest and producing distinctive calls that sound like hoop hoop, from which its common name is derived in several languages. One of the most remarkable aspects of hoopoe behavior relates to the protection of its offspring. Hoopoe chicks possess a unique defensive mechanism. They can secrete a foul-smelling substance from special glands, which helps repel predators and protect the nest. This rare adaptation has attracted scientific interest and study. During the breeding season, the hoopoe selects safe nesting sites, often in tree cavities, rock crevices, or even old buildings and walls. The nest itself is relatively simple, as the bird prioritizes safety over appearance. The female typically lays between 5 and 7 eggs, with an incubation period lasting about 15 to 18 days. During this time, the female mainly incubates the eggs while the male provides food. After hatching, both parents cooperate in feeding and caring for the chicks, supplying them with sufficient insects to ensure healthy growth. The chicks remain in the nest for several weeks before gradually learning to fly and becoming independent. The hoopoe holds a special place in Arab and Islamic culture, as it is mentioned in the Holy Quran in Surah An-Naml in the story of the Prophet Solomon, peace be upon him. In this narrative, the hoopoe is portrayed as an intelligent and perceptive messenger who brought news of the kingdom of Sheba and its queen, playing a role in guiding them toward monotheism. The Quranic verse highlights the value of knowledge and truthful communication. Because of this religious reference, the hoopoe has come to symbolize wisdom, intelligence, and honesty in conveying information within Arab cultural,